I just sneezed in public, and suddenly, it's like I set off a fire alarm. Heads whip around, eyes widen, and I can practically hear the collective gasp. It's wild how one little sneeze can turn me into a pariah. People clutch their bags like I'm holding a contagious bomb. I mean, come on, it's just allergies. But here we are, in a world where a sneeze feels like declaring war. I can almost see the thoughts racing. Is that a cold? A virus? Should I run? I'm just standing here, mortified, wishing I could disappear. Next time, I'll just hold it in. Better to suffocate than to be the villain of the day.